Basil, the king of herbs. A universally known fact is that aromatherapy uses essential oils extracted from plants. One of the most used essential oil in aromatherapy is that of basil. Basil got its name from the Greek word basilium, meaning king. Considered as king among plants as it was one of the ingredients on the list of oils blended to massage kings. Basil is an important herb as its uses are twofold, for cooking as well as to cure a variety of ailments. Let's check its medicinal benefits. This herb covers and offers a plethora of medical benefits. The leaves of basil are steam distilled to create oil. Medically, it provides relief to sore gums, ulcers, chest infections, and digestive problems. It has been used as a brain stimulant and an antispasmodic, making it wonderful in the treatment of bronchitis and whooping cough. Basil is said to have uplifting and refreshing properties. 2 to 3 drops of basil oil is known to relieve mental fatigue, tension, stress, and mild anxiety. Basil has been used in ancient medicines all around the world for the treatment of cold, fever, and muscular pains. It is an effective cure for the loss of appetite. Basil helps with depression, increases alertness, aids in concentration, relieves headaches, head congestion, and migraines. Basil oil, when mixed with massage oil and gently rubbed over the stomach, helps to ease many types of digestive problems. Basil regulates the menstrual cycle and reduces menstrual cramps. Basil is a herb, native to tropical regions from Central Africa to Southeast Asia. It is thus being used in food for its aroma and flavor. If added early while cooking, it loses its flavor, hence it should be used as soon as it is plucked from the plant. It ought be added towards the end of cooking. It exudes a warm, gentle, unique flavor and fragrance in cooking. A potpourri of dried basil leaves and flowers creates a fragrant atmosphere wherever kept. It is also used as an insect repellent, as burned sprigs of basil drive away mosquitoes. If you keep a potted plant of basil on the windowsill, it will deter flies from entering your home. Basil is frequently used in Thai and Vietnamese cuisine. The herb blends well with rosemary, lavender, bergamot, clary sage, geranium, and citrus oils. It should not be used during pregnancy. Basil has a lot of medicinal benefits. It is also great for health. There is no harm in adding this king of herb in daily food. To get more information about miraculous plants and herbs, losing weight, diet, and health from our experts, please click the link provided in the description. If you like our videos, click the like button and subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon to receive our latest videos on weight loss and health. See you in the next video.